Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for conics. Given we have a 9x squared minus 18x plus 4y squared plus with 16y minus 11 is equal to 0 is an equation of an ellipse. A. Write the equation in a standard form. B. Find the center, foci, vertices, length of the major and the minor axis. Finally, sketch the graph. So first what we have to do is to completing the square. So 9 bracket where we have x squared minus 2x. Next, completing the square where we have 9 bracket x squared minus 2x plus bracket square. So we have negative 2 over 2 minus with negative 2 over 2 squared. Simplify the situation where we have x minus 1 bracket square minus with 1. Expand the situation, 9 multiplied with x minus 1 bracket square minus with the 9. For the second part, where we have 4 bracket y squared plus with 4y minus 11 equals to 0. Completing the square, plus with the 4 bracket y squared plus 4y plus bracket where we have 4 over 2 bracket square minus with 4 over 2 bracket square. Close the bracket, minus 11 equals to 0. Simplify the situation, plus where we have 4 bracket y plus 2 bracket square minus with 4 over 2 where we have 2. Then we have 4 minus 11 equals to 0. Expand the situation, 4 multiplied with y plus 2 bracket square minus 16 minus 11 equals to 0. Rearrange the situation where we have 9 multiplied with x minus 1 bracket square plus with 4 multiplied with y plus 2 bracket square equals to where we have 11 plus with 16 plus with 9. So sum up the situation and we will have 36. Next, divide all the terms with 36. So we will have x minus 1 bracket square over 4 plus y plus 2 bracket square over 9 is equals to 1. So here we have the standard form for the equations of ellipse. Next, focus on B, where we have to find the center. So the center for the ellipse will be 1, negative 2. Focus by the value A is equals to 2. The value of B is equals to 3. And the value of C will be equals to 9 minus 4. So C will be equals to square root of 5. Next, referring to the graph. So here we have the xy axis. Kindly locate the point for the center of the ellipse, where we have 1, negative 1, negative 2. So here we have the center of the ellipse. Next, we have the major axis, which is the axis that parallels to y-axis. Then we have the minor axis, which is parallel to x-axis. So kindly refers to the center, where we have 1, negative 2. So by referring to the value A, where we have the value for x-axis. So meaning that what we have to do is to move from the left for 2 units and then move towards the right for 2 units. So we will have 1, and here we have the minor vertices. So the minor vertices, we name it as negative 1, negative 2. Next, move forward 2 units towards the right. So here we have 1 and 2. So here will be the units for minor, another minor axis, where we have 3, negative 2. Next, we have B. Means that we are moving up and down for 3 units. So moving up for 3 units, where we have negative 1, negative 2, and then we have 1. The major vertices is equals to 1, 1. Then move downwards for 3 units. So we will have 1, 2, and 3. So the major vertices will be 1 and then negative 5. So kindly sketch the graph. So here we have the ellipse. So here will be the situation. Then kindly focus on the foci. So where we have the foci moving upward for square root of 5 and downward for square root of 5. So f will be equals to 1, negative 2 minus square root of 5. Next, we have another foci where we have 1 minus 2 plus with square root of 5. So that will be the focus of the ellipse. Next, what we have to do is to find the major length and the minor length. So for the major length, kindly multiply the 2 with the value b. So we will have 6 units. Then for the minor length, kindly focus on the value a. We have to minus the 2 with the value a. So where we have 4 units. So as for the major vertices, where we have 1, 1 and 1, negative 5. As for the minor vertices, where we have 3, negative 2, then we have negative 1, negative 2. Then as for the foci, where we have 1, minus 2 minus square root of 5. 1 minus 2 plus with the square root of 5. So here we have the situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.